Here is a brand new oil filter. Looks awesome, doesn't it? But what in the world happened here? Oh my goodness, doesn't even look like an oil filter. Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, we shot a video a while back about the pros and cons to do your own oil change. And a lot of oil filters are very difficult access. So I have multiple different kinds of filter wrenches that I use to get the filters off. And it can be very difficult, and some can be stuck on pretty well. So the poor person who decided to do his own oil change had a really tough time getting this filter off, to the point that unfortunately ended up damaging the engine oil cooler. So he probably won't be doing his own oil changes anymore because it just wasn't worth it. But this is what can happen if you don't have a lot of different tools to choose from, and the filter can be difficult to get to. Hey, don't criticize this guy. It's difficult, and this doesn't surprise me. It went really south for him. So make sure you've got the right tools and the patience and everything you need if you're going to change your own oil. Otherwise, come in, we'll give you a soda pop or a water bottle, and you can enjoy yourself while we change your oil for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.